Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching this video. I decided to do another tutorial, and in this tutorial I just wanted to use up a lot of the products that BoxyCharms sent me. I did use Maybelline and Rimmel like primers and foundations, but for like my eye makeup and the lips and the blush and everything, I did use stuff that BoxyCharms sent us. I've been really enjoying making these makeup tutorials. I am not a makeup artist, I am a makeup enthusiast. I really just love makeup. If you're interested to see how I achieve this look, continue watching. Alright, so I'm starting with my Maybelline Dewy Plus Smooth foundation. This is the Fit Me line, and I'm in the shade 120 Classic Ivory. And I actually already prepped my face with Rimmel Lasting Finish Breathable Primer. I really do like this primer. I'm experimenting with this diamond shaped sponge, and this is by Real Techniques. I found it at Marshall's. And now I'm just doing a little bit of color correcting. I'm using my NYX color corrector in the orange shade. This is Fit Me Concealer by Maybelline. I believe I have the lightest shade here. Just blending it all out. After I blend out, I generally like to add a little bit more concealer right where the shadows or my bags are, and that tends to lighten up the area and just kind of diminish the look of bags. I'm using my Maybelline Master Fix Setting Perfecting Loose Powder. Really do enjoy this powder. It's very affordable, but it does a great job in setting your makeup overall, and I like to do this for my under eye concealer. This is the Pure Minerals / BoxyCharm eyeshadow palette. I really do enjoy it. I think the colors are beautiful, very pigmented. I received it in my recent BoxyCharm, and so I'm just using the lightest shade. It's called Perfect as my base color. Next, we're going to take this shade called Naked, and I'm going to go ahead and use it as my transition shade. I tend to stay above my natural crease only because I do have hooded eyelids. Then we're going to combine these colors, Belle and Squad, and I'm going to go ahead and put it on my eyelids. I'm using Alt to darken up my outer V / crease. Then I have to go ahead and blend it all out so it looks nice and smooth. I'm using this beautiful shade called Charmer. I'm in love with this product that I received in my recent BoxyCharm. It's by Cover Effects, and it's their Shimmer Veil. You can use this as an eyeshadow, you can use this as a highlight, or even on top of your lipstick. I love using my eyeshadows as an eyeliner. These darker colors work beautifully for that purpose. This is what I was talking about, using that product by Cover Effects as your highlight. This blush is another product I received in my BoxyCharm, and it's by Pretty Vulgar. I know my right side looks a little bit deeper than the left, but we're gonna blend it out at the end. I love this bronzer by Physicians Formula. This is their butter bronzer. And they have a few different shades, which is great. I've really enjoyed using this Brow Bar Brow Definer in the color Indian Chocolate. I feel like it's a good shade for me and it's very easy to use. I generally like the more natural look for your eyebrows. I'm just trying out this Benefit mascara. It's a product that I received in one of my subscription boxes. Using brush by the Vintage Cosmetics company and going in for this nice deep red color to fill in my lower lash. And just using that product by Cover FX to go in into my inner corners to lighten them up, brighten them up a little bit more. This little brush is by Real Techniques. It's very easy to get to smaller places on your face with this brush. Just applying the residual product to the tip of my nose. This is a beautiful lipstick by Burt's Bees in the shade Blush Basin. It is so smooth. It's not sticky at all. The color is just beautiful and natural. I'm definitely going to try some more of their lipsticks. And this is just my finished look. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you later. Bye!